How to install Microsoft Store applications without the Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you wish to download and install some of the Microsoft Store applications but without using the Microsoft Store? In that case, you can follow the step. For this, open any of your browser and open this link store.rg.adguard.net. Hereby, you can now search for free applications and link to download. But for this, you require 4 necessaries, which is URL or the product ID or package family name or the category ID. The best would be to open the Microsoft link to the application and then copy it into the website's URL link. Once that is done, you will see multiple options from where you can download the best free application. And you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.